Clean up, clean up. So much fun and clean up. Na 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 na. So this is our cleanup video. We just cleaned up the Thomas the Train. I forgot to make a video of this. Let me put it all right over there. And right now, Alyosha, what are you cleaning up? The cars. Yes, we cleaning up the cars every time we clean up, clean up. It's so much fun together to clean up, clean up. No, 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 no. What do you got there? Alyosha loves to clean up. Alyosha, what are you cleaning up over there? Big car too? Okay, let's do this. He never forgets anything. Good job, Alyosha. Clean up, clean up. Na 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 na. There's one more over here, yeah. Good job, Alyosha. So we done. We done. Thank you, Alyosha, for playing with me today. Bye.